What is going on, everyone? It is Wednesday, April 15th, 2026. Going to be doing today's charting session as well as how I made, right? Um, won this trade, but I lost the one on all my tradeifys. So we'll get into both of the trades that I took. A little unfortunate, but okay, we're right here. So let's go over the trade that I took on the elite account. We only need 2 more days of $527 profit, over 570. So whatever that is, that's like the minimum trading days. We just took this little 30-second inversion to the internal buy side, delivering from this 5-minute as well as inversing the 2-minute, as well as tapping back into it. Of course, everyone went crazy over a fucking 5-point trade, but whatever. So, all right, that was the trade in PM. And then very similar to the trade that we took in PM, except we just got manipulated out. We inverted a 2 minutes to the upside and then took this 1-minute inversion right here. Took this 1-minute version, loved the displacement, made an SMT at this low down here. So we swept a bunch of pre-market sell side. And we had our basically 930 Judas. Although we were chopping around a bit, I wanted to see price come up and take this 940 high. It is just unfortunate that we had our stop loss a bit, not, I wouldn't say too tight, but obviously we want to see a really good displacement. So that was the loss today. And that's pretty much it. Nothing too crazy. Back to break even on the tradeify, so need about like 5 or 6 trades to get a payout on that. But yeah, hopefully if I win my trade tomorrow, my trade Friday, to get a payout on this lead account. And yeah, let's get into what you guys took. Let's see, is the 10:40 a.m. play good? 10:40 a.m. Let's see. 10:40. 10:40. Are we talking about shorts, longs? So tapping at a 5-minute, 30-second long. Are we talking about 10:40, like this 30-second down here? This one down here? Guys, I don't want to have to kick you guys from the VC or from charting. Can you guys just like lock in, please? I'm trying to like teach people. Hold on. 264142. Oh, and then it shopped around a bit. Did you set a limit? Or did you go 1-to-1? Because 1-to-1's a little bit sketch. So you targeted the high. That's just a little. This is what me and Nick were talking about the other day. Did you take this trade that you marked out? Probably not. I don't know. It'd be hard to tell. Oh, let me go for that other one. This other 30-second. This one I wasn't ready for. I wasn't signed into my accounts. I know some people took this. That shit almost got stopped too. I took the first trade you missed, and the second one you took. So break even sale or something like that. Wait, why would you take a trade after you already won? I see people mark out liquidity on the 1 minute and 30 seconds. It's still sweeping liquidity. Yes, it still is. Bro, that's greedy as fuck. Yeah, so it was targeting like this high and this high right here. So we had some really good like high time frame objectives. Not even that high time frame, just pre-market stuff like these wicks, which looked really good. And then we had a strong candle closure above this 30-second, delivering from this 1 minute. I did really like it, but I wasn't logged in time, wasn't really keen on it. But Will, don't you take trades in PM only to equalize and equal lows? Yep. Oh yeah, but the trade I took just looked really good. I was just being discretionary. But normally it is only equal highs or equal lows. I just really like the displacement, all the other confluences. Because there was more than just an inversion to equalize or equal lows. So usually what the PM trades consist of is just a trade to equal highs or equal lows. So took the same PM, wanted the one trade to equalize with that volatile. I know. I was literally looking at that too. It was like up here. And then this candle just fucking flew. Yeah, I was gonna say, there's all, it was from a 30 seconds. Bro, I'm getting used to do it. What's now? How can I do 5? Bro, you gotta realize that the trade was 5.75 points, bro. It's not like you're going for a huge trade with that many contracts. It's basically, yeah, let your ball. It's 5 fucking points, bro. It's not like it's literally the same as risking 1 mini on 25 points versus 5 minis on 5 points. My 50k eval only lets me do 3. Yep, that's exactly why I use 100ks now. Most firms only allow 3. Can you explain your model? Rather. Tradeify also does as well. I'm a bit lost. Maybe you can give me some advice. I usually look for my bias in high time frame, but I see that you stick to low time frame feed areas and just trust your models about to switch between higher and lower time frames like that. I mean, you can have an overall higher time frame bias and just stick with it, but you don't necessarily always have to whatchamacallit. Like you can have like equal lows below and the high time frame could be bearish or a high time frame could be bullish, but then you just look back at it and be like, oh, like we could just rebalance some of this range. Yeah, Fishy, I didn't know if you were like being serious about that. Yeah, just check out the YouTube. I get the difference between this and the PM trade. 1040 had a higher draw on the S, but Weiser randomly got affected by side. 1040 good target. Yeah, I mean, we were just like overall like super bullish. I don't know. It's, you just have to be like discretionary. It's like you can't teach discretion, unfortunately. I was up 1.5K. Now I'm back to break even because if it's a need to make 3K to take a payout. What do you think I should do? Just take it slow or size low or still size high? Still size high. Did we take all time high yet? I don't know. Nah, I don't think we did. Yeah, no, we're still like 400 points away. I think we're pretty close in the continuous contract though. Well, yeah, I'm talking about the June contracts. So I said the continuous contracts are probably closer. Pretty much, yeah, Danny. Realistically, I've only like I've been like 95% longs. Exactly. You were trying to long to all-time highs. All-time highs is not a good draw on liquidity. Just having a bullish bias. Didn't you care about equal and relative equal lows before longing today on AM because of the volatility? You mean like this? Pre-market equal lows don't really mean that like that crazy to me because pre-market just has low volume. Oh, it's just a pattern trade. All right, you guys all good? You guys have any questions? Check DM after. Okay. $400 risk on 50K enough? Yeah, it should be. All right, I'm gonna end the recording. If you're watching on YouTube, head over to the link down below. That is where you can watch me live trade Monday through Friday and get access to the charting sessions, which I'm filming right now. You're doing a giveaway, right? No, the giveaway was yesterday. All right, everyone. Peace.